What's going on, everyone? Kyle again with ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a what's in the box for you guys on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Great White Suction Side Pool Cleaner. We're going to tear into this box and show you guys what comes included so you guys know what to expect when this shows up at your door. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we're going to do a what's in the box for you guys on Pentair's Great White Suction Side Pool Cleaner. It is a Kreepy Krauly series, so they do have a multitude of different Kreepy Krauly such and such suction side pool cleaners, but for today's video we want to go over the Great White. This is going to be their open line cleaner, so you guys can actually purchase this directly on our website, which we'll have the links below for you guys, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. They do offer a very similar one, which is known to most of the industry as the Dorado. The Dorado is going to be the exact same cleaner. The only difference is instead of the white and the gray, you're looking at a blue with a gray. It's also a trade series, which if you guys want to know more about that, make sure you guys check out our other video. We have a video to explain to you guys what trade series means, but exactly the same cleaner inside, so we just want to actually show you guys what comes in the box so you guys know what to expect. So I already pre-cut it for you guys. This box is a little beat up. Granted, when you do purchase them from us, they will not show up in a box like this, but this was the one that we had on hand for you guys, so I do want to just apologize for that. But let's go ahead and jump in here and let's open it up. So right off the bat, you guys can see it's a monster box for not a lot of things. The biggest thing that you're looking at is it obviously has to house the hoses that come included. So you're looking at getting, I believe there's 12. So you're looking at 12 meter long hoses. It'll have the leader hose in there for you guys, which is the main hose that's going to plug into the actual cleaner. So we'll tear into that for you guys in a second, but that's the reason why the box has to be as monstrous as it is obviously it has to house the entire meter long hoses. And then right here tucked in the front, we have the pretty cleaner. So here's your Kreepy Krauly Great White. As you guys can see, it's got the darker gray bumper with the light gray shroud on it, notorious for this brush ring around the bottom. So make sure you guys stay tuned. We're gonna have some more videos on how to actually tear this thing apart, so you guys know how to repair it. Really simple cleaner to repair. Definitely recommend it for a lot of basic plaster, sometimes different pebble tech pools, just because these bristles will really get into all those crevices, which is really nice, and kind of brush it around. So we'll set the cleaner head off to the side. So again, you're gonna get a full complete unit. That's gonna come with everything inside. You're not having to build anything. It'll be ready, kind of plug and play. The only difference that you're gonna have to kind of play with is obviously if you're replacing a current GW, whatever settings you had on your equipment before need to be adjusted to adjust for a new unit compared to your used unit. So you will have to do some minor adjustments at your equipment for that, but in terms of setting up, it's going to be identical. So the next thing in here that they give you obviously is the notorious giant bag of goodies. So we'll kind of dive into this and show you guys. So with the Great White, I really like it. They make sure that they give you that threaded vacuum lock. This is going to thread onto the dedicated suction port that you have on the side of your pool. So you're just going to go ahead and unscrew your current one, screw this one in. It is white, so if you do have color themes, obviously you can keep your current one, but it is nice that they do give you one of those in here. This is a safety lock, so that for whatever reason your kids are in there, you didn't take the cleaner out, whatever it may be, if that hose gets pulled out of the wall, this door is going to slap shut. And with that, that makes sure that nobody, no hair, no body, no limb will actually get sucked to the side wall, because for those of you guys that do have that suction turned all the way up, it can be pretty dangerous. So it's really nice that they have this. It has a little thing on there for like being able to pry it back open. So if you're trying to open it with the system on, it's really difficult because obviously it's sucking it closed. So they do give you like a spot here for a flathead, so you can try to work it in and get it open, so then that way you can get the hose reconnected. But they're going to give you a regulator valve. Go ahead and lay them all out here for you. So again, the instruction manual that comes will show you guys what to do with that regulator valve. Sometimes it just helps obviously regulate the suction. So if you're getting an abundance of suction coming on that dedicated line, or if you're using it in the skimmer and you don't have as much control over that, that's what this is meant for. It's definitely great to be able to fine tune that. And then they obviously give you a flow meter here, so you're talking about your minimum and maximum flow. So this will actually allow you to know that you're in the optimal range. Again, it gives you a little window, so as you hook this up to that wall port or to the actual skimmer, it'll kind of tell you where you need to be in terms of setting up the cleaner so that when you do plug it in, it operates efficiently. So one big thing that you will need no matter what is the adapter. This actually plugs into the top of the shroud. It gives you the ability to hook up what they call a Unidapt handle, which they do provide as well. So for those of you guys that got some hard to reach spots and want to actually manually vacuum your pool, it's really cool. You can actually plug this in. You can keep the hose attached, everything. You attach this right here, and then you'll actually put your pool pole onto this, and then you can actually manually move the GW around to get those hard to reach places. Sometimes it's nice if you can get that and use it kind of for the wall or something, so that way you're not just sitting there manually brushing it. So they do throw that in there. Again, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We have a metal version of these, which is really good. It won't actually come with the same pin, so you're going to need to get a bolt that will work, but it is nice that they do have different options to use that for. So, and then speaking of the skimmer that you use a lot of these other tools with, they do give you a skimmer comb. So this will fit any of the skimmer sizes, so it's really nice how it's cone shaped, so then that way, whether or not you have 1.5 inch, 2 inch, whatever it may be, this will go in there and give you that same outlet that you'll need to hook your hoses up. And then of course they give you the cap, which goes with this regulator kit. Again, the user manual will kind of walk you through how you're supposed to correctly use that. So make sure you guys read that. And then to the paperwork. So you get your safety tips. Pentair always likes to throw in some cool safety tips. Open it up, take a look if you want. It's electrical safety, you know, happy swimming, things like that just tell you how to properly enjoy your pool. And then of course they give you their warranty cards. So most of their warranty cards now are just going to walk you through how to do it online. So they're going to walk you through, hey, this is where you go, this is what you're going to do, this is what you need in order to make sure that you qualify for the 2-year warranty that's going to come with these. It's very important that you guys follow through that. You can use the serial number that's located on the actual packaging, so don't throw the packaging away until you have registered it for your warranty. Otherwise, the serial number is also located on the unit itself. So they are tracked purposes of, you know, you can't just buy one off the street and be able to use it. It is only done from licensed resellers, so you do want to make sure that you're purchasing it from the right place. And then last but not least, of course, they give you the giant user manual. Again, this is going to walk you through every little step of fine-tuning it and getting it running. It's in both English and Spanish, so then that way you guys can you know, follow along either way. But that's pretty much all that comes in the accessory package. So let me put this all back and then we will dive into the hoses so I can show you guys the color. Make sure they give you the blue or gray is the color that you're looking for on the hoses. So set this off to the side and then let's lift the hose box out here for you. Oh. I don't have a knife, but I am using a screwdriver, so it'll work just as well. So, set that off. We'll open this up. So they are almost like a grayish blue hose that you're getting here. So obviously the first one that I pulled out looks to be, no, they don't have their leader in here. So they're both all male, females. There is a leader in here. I can't see located where it's at right now, but they do give you the leader hose, which is the main hose that you'll need to make sure that you hook up onto that adapter that goes onto the top of the shroud. So like I said, they give you 12 of them. Most pools, you're not gonna need 12. Don't throw away your extra hoses. Over time, these hoses are going to wear and tear in the sun, so you want to make sure that you guys keep those extra ones around. So just want to show you guys what comes included here in the box for you guys on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Series Great White Suction Side Pool Cleaner. Again, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We're going to have a bunch of these items available for you guys to purchase directly on our website. The accessory package, the hoses, all the things to fix it. And then make sure you guys subscribe because we're going to have a ton more videos coming your way on stripping that cleaner out so that you guys can figure out how to rebuild it from the ground up. So until then, I really appreciate you guys watching. I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.